Dati ano medyo parang isip bata pa ako dati, like yung goals ko is only to earn money and para sa sarili ko. But no, when you are actually a business owner, you also looking forward doon sa mga mabibigyan mo ng trabaho.
Yes.
My greatest success or wins in life is, I think, and not only we get closer to God because of the problems, the challenges na hukubog sa iyo along the way while you are building a business. So doon talaga i-test din yung faith mo.
Yeah.
Para but at the same time, yung wins mo doon is because parang you fulfill your purpose, one of your purpose, no?
Yeah.
Which is to help.
Yeah.
To provide jobs. So I think that's my greatest wins in life.